Hello, I'm Percy the Bandicoot. Why does the power go out? Power outages caused by damaged power lines and equipment, due to the effect from rainy season, ice storms, hurricanes, and heat waves. There are three types of power outages: blackout, brownout, and transient fault. Blackout simply means the total loss of power to an area and is the most severe form of power outage that can occur. On the other hand, brownout is a drop in voltage in an electrical power supply. It comes from the dimming experienced by lighting when the voltage sags. And the transient fault. A transient fault is a loss of power typically caused by a fault on a power line. Power is automatically restored once the fault is cleared, in a quick time. Or sometimes there is impulsive electrical fluctuation. Into the timeline, the Great Northeast Blackout occurred in 1965, millions of commuters returning home from work were delayed, and 800,000 people in New York's subway system totally trapped. Next, the New York City Blackout occurred in 1977. The lightning bolt tripped a line and rendered the plant inoperative, while a second lightning strike caused two more transmission lines to shut down. Number 3, the West Coast Blackout occurred in 1982. More than 5 million people lost power after hurricane-force winds knocked over a major 500 kilovolt transmission tower in Tracy, California. Number 4, Northeast Blackout occurred in 2003. A high-voltage power line in northern Ohio brushed against a cache of overgrown trees, causing it to shut down. And number 5, Mid-Atlantic and Midwest derecho blackout in 2012. The Mid-Atlantic and Midwest fell victim to one of the deadliest, fastest-moving severe thunderstorms in U.S. history, a progressive derecho. The real problem is, a derecho often produces more natural disasters: tornadoes, flash floods, hurricane-force winds, and heavy rains. Now what happens when a tree falls on a power line? The wires, which are connected to eye-bolt, fiberglass, hot clamp, and others. As soon as the tree fell on its wires, the electricity from the line can make the branch so hot it catches fire. And its connections will spark. Here's the action. Now, here comes the power outage. This is due to its thunderstorm. This is due to its thunderstorm and many people lose power. That's how the action works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.